one parameter. Okay, so that is the type of like that is the value or like variable for which I am trying to check the type. Okay, here if I will use type, and inside this I will pass the variable x because I wanted to check the type of variable x. Understood?
Mhm.
So if I will run this, I will get str. This is a type of string. Understood? Any doubt so far?
No, clear.
No.
Okay, now see if I will change this to 10. So now value of x is 10. Okay, and tell me the type. If I run this second cell, what will be the type of this second cell?
Integer it will.
It will be integer because I am assigning integer value here. Okay, so the thing which what I wanted to explain you here. So when we are creating a variable, okay, so we don't need to declare a type of a variable. Okay, so whatever value will assign according to that variable like value type, the type of the variable will be changed. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so this is why Python is called dynamic language. Okay, the thing is, and why Python is like popular these days. Okay, so apart from this dynamic language, there are multiple features here. Okay, the features in the sense, see in Java and all. Okay, we have lots of data structure type or like data type and all. Okay, when you create various types, we are using collections, lots of things. Okay, and but here we have only four types of data. We can use Python as a scripting language, we can use Python for data analysis, machine learning, we can use Python for like backend development, anything we can use. Okay, so that's why this Python is being used widely these days. Okay, basically for data analysis, machine learning, and for scripting. Also in backend we are developing backend project using there are various um, like the Python backend development thing, which is called framework, are those frameworks are called Django, Fast API, Flask. These are for backend development. Okay, and for machine learnings, we are various like packages. Okay, we can simply import those packages and we can use this. Okay, there are like large community. You can easily, if you're stuck somewhere, you can find the related solution somewhere. Okay, that's why Python is being used in all the fields. Okay, for scripting language. And also the main thing is, so here we don't need to like see in Java and all, we need to follow a structure. We need to create a class, we need to create a method, then inside the method we need to write and write our logics and all. So here we don't see to run x equal to 10. Okay, in Java we need to write 10 lines. Okay, we need to create a class. We cannot write a method without a class. Okay, we cannot we cannot directly add this into a class and run. Okay, so there is a proper structure we need to follow. We need to create a class, we need to create a method, then variable, and then we can print. Okay, and even though for print we need to write system.out.print and lots of things. Okay, so the same thing using Python is reduced to less, like we can achieve the same functionality in less number of codes. Okay, so the main purpose of writing code is to achieve our requirement. Okay, achieve our functionality instead of writing 100 lines of code. So if we can achieve that 100 line like functionality into 2 lines, it's fine. Why will not go with the 2 lines? And also the performance wise, it's good. Okay, so the main thing which I um, um, like I encountered while having classes or discussing with various person. Okay, so people are getting confused between how to create method, how to use those things and all in Java and all. Lots of things there. So that Python made easy for them. Okay, they can easily use this. There is no restriction. So here you can write n lines of codes, and that you can run without any like function or any classes. Okay, and then you can achieve, like suppose I'm writing print or something here. Okay, add here, like lots of things I can write here. Okay, so that we can run. Okay, we can achieve our functionality based on, but the thing is like syntax should be correct. This is not correct syntax, I'm simply writing. We don't need to define a class or function here. Okay, and
Okay.
also here we are having only four types of data structures. Okay, so instead of having lots of collection, lots of this data types and all, so it's very simple. If you want to store data, it's very simple. There are only four types. You can choose any one of them, any one of these four based on the requirements. Okay, so it's easy to use. Okay, and basically Python is like normal English. So if you know, the only thing is like we need to learn the syntax. Okay, learn the syntax here, like see I how to use this syntax. Okay, so those things we need to learn, that's it. Okay.
Can I
Okay.
change
Okay.
the data type? Like, could the data type can be overwritten for the same variable?
Yes.
Okay.
So suppose here I wrote x equal to 10. Okay, and now here I wrote x equal to hello. So see what will happen. So these two are like variable. Okay, x equal to 10, x equal to this one. So what will happen, Python compiler will start executing code from line 1. Okay, consider this line 1 and this is line 2. Now after executing this line, it will come to next line. Okay, now what it will do, it will see x equal to 10 I declared. Okay, now here I'm assigning x equal to hello, so it will override that value with hello, this string value. And now if you will run this, see I ran this. Okay, now let me run print x. So tell me what value this x will print, hello or 10?
String I.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
because that value is overwritten.
Mm.
See, this x is overwritten by this. Understood? Any doubt so far? So
No.
still, see, this data type is this variable. Okay, the x is 10. Now I'm assigning x equal to a string, even though it is overriding the type as well. It is not throwing an error. Okay, understood?
Okay.
Okay, so now these are like story kind of thing. Okay, now we'll start from beginning. Okay, how to declare a variable and all. Okay, so the first thing is how to declare a variable. How many types of variable we are having here. Okay, so to declare a variable, what we can do, we can create a variable and we can assign a value. So here as I created x equal to 10, so I created a variable x and assigned a value 10. Okay, a variable x is created now. Okay, any doubt? So this is now x is a type of integer. X is a variable of type integer. Okay, here I assigned value integer and it's become integer. Okay, now okay, so assign a floating value. Create a variable y of type float. How we can do that? I will assign a value 10.4. So I created variable y and assign a value 10.4. So the like the type of y will become variable. See, like become a float. Okay, now if I will run y and will check type y, so see if you will run, see the type become float. Understood? See, I explained how to create a variable of type float. Okay, and how to check type of that. Any doubt so far?
No.
So same way we can create other variable. Okay, other type of variable like string we can create. And and also I can like suppose what I will do, I will create new thing. I will explain it later, but first I'm explaining you this. Okay, so I created a variable lst. Okay, and I here this is how a list is getting created in Python. Okay, I'm simply trying to explain you how to check the type. Okay, we'll cover this topic list and all how in later classes. Okay, this is beginning, I'm trying to explain you the type. Okay, now we created a list of list. Okay, we created a variable lst of type list. Okay, instead of that you can write something. Okay, um, tell me any name.
Any name we
Temp.
can give, like num.
Okay, num. I created a variable num of type list. Okay, now if I will run this, okay, and print num, if I will run this, see here I'm getting a list. Okay, but I wanted to check the type of this list. Okay, how we can check that? So the same way. Okay, so type is basically helping to check type of any variable. Like you can, using type you can check the type of any object, any list, tuple, set, dictionary, any kind of variable, anything for which you wanted to check the type, you can use this type. Okay, type is the function using which we can check the type of that object. Understood? Any doubt so far?
Yep. No.
So this is how we are checking the type of any object. Okay, using function type. These are the inbuilt function. Okay, so if you continue working on these things, okay, if you do practice and all, you will remember these keywords. Or these are most frequently used keywords. Okay, so using
Okay.
this function we can check the type of any function. Okay, let me know if anyone is having doubt or like facing any issue. I will explain it again.
It's clear for me, Vishal.
Okay, nice, thank you. So this is how a variable is getting created in Python. Now the thing is, I will explain the basic syntax. Okay, how we can print any variables and all. Okay, so to print any variable, like to print anything, not a variable, anything like like system.out.println, we are printing any statement and all. So how we are printing? So that we are printing using the print keyword. Okay, if you write anything using print, it will print that. Okay, so Kritika, I'm not, you have any doubt so far?
No.
Okay, so okay, if anyone is not answering or like asking questions, so I'm having doubt. Okay, so why he's not answering or like discussing in class? Okay, so that's why I'm asking. So now the next thing is, this is how we can print the type of anything. Now I will explain you the basic thing. So string and the about string. Okay, and then we'll proceed further. So what is a string? A string is a group of, you can say, words, or like a single words or multiple words, word or words. Okay, like group of characters, you can say. So here I created a variable of type x, no, variable of type string. Where it is? Hello. Okay, this is how I'm printing a string. Okay, hello. Now I wanted to know you, like explain you, like sorry, what is string formation in Python? How we can see these are these are one single string and all this hello and all. Okay, so what is string formation first of all? So suppose I have this hello. Okay, and I wanted to uh, make this hello dynamic. Like after hello I wanted to print any greeting message, hello, good morning, hello, afternoon, based on times and all. Okay, so first let's forget about the times. First see how we can make this dynamic. So the thing is, so there is a function called function like string formation. Okay, string formation we are calling. So that we are using to format our string, or like to make our string dynamic. Okay, so now see here I print greeting equal to morning. I created a variable greeting equal to morning. Now I'm printing, oh, print
Greeting.
hello, or instead of this I can write something like this and close this. So what this is, anyone can explain me? Is there any difference between this one and this one?
You're
Yeah,
directly
after
error.
hello,
Yeah, go ahead, please.
yeah, after
Calling the
hello, it
value.
will print morning.
Yes. See, it will print after hello, it will print this. If I, even though if I will change the value of this, so we don't need to make change into this. Understood? So see the syntax difference. Okay, here I simply printed hello, and here I used string formation. The syntax for string formation is f. So in older Python version, what we were doing, we were using dot format something, dot format, and here we were passing n number of parameters. Okay, instead of that we were having a placeholder, we were writing here, and we were passing parameters. So that is changed now. So instead of that,
So if
that
I
format
have
and
one
all.
doubt,
uh,
so if we
yeah, yeah.
wanted to add three, like you have stored greetings equals to morning, and then one more variable, I just wanted to add good morning. Okay, so I will create one more variable apart from greetings. Can you just
Uh-huh.
write down? Yeah, down.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, greetings and one more variable. You can give something.
Like x I'm writing, x equal
Yeah,
to.
x equals to good.
Okay,
Yeah, so
now you
can
want.
we add three this three?
Yes, we can add n
Oh.
number of parameters here, n number of value here. Okay,
Mhm.
see, I simply added a new placeholder. Okay, see, this curly braces is basically called as placeholder. Okay,
Okay.
so the syntax I will explain you now first. Okay, I can explain you the syntax. So syntax for string formation is this f, single quote or double quote first. Understood? Any, see that this sequence I will understand, explain you single quote or double quote. Why this is important? So suppose the thing is, if you are using this single quote as a string formation thing, okay, and the same where if you use double quote, so they see, initially there is no difference between these two, but there is difference when we are using like a placeholder here, and we are getting some value. Like suppose we have a dictionary. In coming days I will explain you. So the thing is, like, this is starting from this. Okay, and in between if I will add one more single quote, this that it is throwing an error. Okay, that I will explain you in coming classes when I will explain the dictionary. Okay, so the syntax I will explain you first. Single quote or double quote. Okay, and in the quote, okay, in the quote whatever you will write, okay, it will be a static value. Okay, like that is not dynamic. The dynamic value will be the thing which you are writing inside the curly braces. Understood? So here you can write, hi, my name is. Okay, so whatever value, now if it's based on the value. Okay, if you will provide the value here. Okay, like placeholder value. Let me comment out this first. So now I'm writing name equal to name equal to whose name I can use. Shruti. Okay, forgot me. Like forgive me if your name spelling is wrong here. Okay, so now see this name. Okay, I created a variable name, and whatever value I will pass here. Okay, so that value will be dynamic. This one means the entire string is dynamic now. See, suppose our any name is changed to x. Okay, so it will print here x. This value inside double quote, whatever value is, that is static, that will not change. Okay, the value which is inside this placeholder will be changed. Understood?
Huh. Okay.
Now let me pass this into a print statement. So this is a string. Okay, it's up to us to store it into a variable. Okay, a equal to, and then print a, or this is same thing as this one. If I will, instead of storing that into a variable a, I can simply pass here. If it's up to us to save that into a variable and print that variable. Okay, or we can directly pass this information string into a print statement. Okay, any doubt so far? So now I will run this and I will come to the point which Kritika asked. Okay, now let me run this. See here. Here I am getting, hi, my name is Shruti. And see, I'm commenting out this line and commenting this line. I will run, I will get the same output. My name is Shruti. So it's up to us to save that the string formation thing into a variable here, or we can directly use that. Now, C asked one question. Okay, so how many number of parameter we can pass? If I will run this, what I will receive? Hello, good morning. So here in string formation, we can pass n number of, we can use n number of placeholder, we can pass n number of variable. So now here, okay, I wanted to print after good morning. I can, I wanted to print like something good. Okay, so I added this symbol, and now this X I am passing. So what will happen? What it will print? It will print hello, good morning, and after good morning, it will print again good. So let me run this. See, so you can pass n number of placeholder into a string formation, and but the only thing is like the string which like the variable which is inside this placeholder is will be dynamic. Okay, rest other value, this one, this hello, or like this symbol, whatever is inside this code without any placeholder, this curly braces will be static. Any doubt so far?
No.
Got it.
No, no.
Okay, Kritika, you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, so I hope you understand this thing, like string formation basic thing. Okay, after this class, what I will do, I have a repo, I will share that with you, and that I created for this. Okay, let me close all some practice thing and all I'm doing sometimes. Okay, so this is Python basic. Okay, so here, if you see, I created something string manipulation. Okay, so this thing I will share that with you. Okay, this repo. Okay, so whatever I will explain, that topic you will get here. Okay, you will that code is there. Okay, I will go through this code, I will explain you, and if you're stuck somewhere, you can find that code here. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Sure.
Now, okay, so this is a kind of string formation, string manipulation. Okay, so this is how we can make a string dynamic. Okay, now I will explain you in coming class what is the use of, instead of printing this, I will explain you why we are using this string. See, let me explain you. Okay, here and also in coming class I have explained you. Suppose we are creating a variable. Okay, a like variable like like the path. Okay, path, basically a path. So now inside our environment, the path is something like, let me copy one path here. So see, now instead of download, after download we are having three folder here. Okay, one is dev, one is QA, one is stage, and one is prod. Okay, into the same path we are having four like folder. Okay, QA, stage, and prod. So this folders contains some files respective to that environment. Okay, prod folder will contain some files respective to prod. Okay, stage will contain something like that, from stage or QA and dev. Okay, so when the thing is, when I will run my code into dev environment, okay, I wanted to my code to pick a file from dev folder. Okay, understood? Any doubt so far?
Mm,
Hello.
Yep.
Can
I'm
you
not.
No.
Okay, I want answer, folks. I'll be with me. Okay. So so now I will run my code into dev environment. Okay, I wanted my code to pick file from this dev folder. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, when I will run in prod, I need to pick from prod. Okay,
Mhm.
so in the normal scenario, okay, what I can do, I can write a condition if environment equal to prod. Okay, pick file from the path will be, so this normal scenario path equal to the same thing, and here I can hard code this thing, path equal hard code this. Okay, why I forgot to add this. Okay, so here I will write prod. Okay, in for QA, it's QA. Let's copy these two, and so this is, I will explain you how this, I will explain you the syntax. Okay, in coming classes, we are in base beginning. Simply I'm trying to explain you about the string formation. Okay, why it's required. Now it's stage, this is which environment I missed, dev. Okay, now at the end I'm printing path. Okay, now suppose here my environment is, comment out this below upper line. Now I'm writing env equal to, I'm simply hard coding. So in usually what we are having when we are running our codes in different environments, so what we are passing one environment variable there. Okay, so consider the environment variable is dev. So now what will happen when I will run this code will execute one by one, and it will check if environment equal to dev, this is dev, then it will print this path. Okay, so now to achieve this, we wrote this much line of code. Understood? So I can,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So I can say instead of writing this 8 lines of codes, I can achieve this in one line. So which process you will follow? This 8-liner code or like one-liner code?
One
Definitely
liner.
like one-liner code.
One liner.
So that is like we'll use the string formation thing to make our path dynamic. Okay, based on the environment where like whatever the value of this environment will make that path. Okay, so instead of writing this much code. Okay, now what I will do, see, instead of this path, okay, path will be, I will use string formation. So to make this string formation, I will use f, and here I will add our placeholder. This is placeholder. Okay, so now here instead of this we'll pass this environment. Okay, environment, and if you print the path, so you will get the path here. Okay, let me go down, see here, this is the path. Now if I will make this prod run, so this is become prod. Understood?
Yeah.
See, this is one of the uses of string formation. Okay, so how we can utilize this string formation to make things dynamic. Okay, so we don't need to hard code this path or like anything. See, suppose in while working, AWS name is, suppose in dev it's somewhere like the bucket name is test bucket, and at then we are adding the environment name so that we can understand this is dev bucket or something. So this is dev. Okay, and something like this, like in prod stage and everywhere. So instead of hard coding these things, we can make it dynamic. Okay? We can create as the bucket equal to f, and here we can. Understood so far? Any doubt?
Understood.
No.
So the basic thing is we need to understand this formation, okay? And to understand this string formation, we need to remember this format thing, like syntax, okay? The syntax is for string formation, we are using a small f, double quote or single quote, anything we'll use, and the here we'll add the static thing, the anything which we want to print every time, okay? And after that, we'll add a placeholder, this curly braces, and inside curly braces, we'll pass the variable. Understood? Okay. So this is a syntax for string formation. Okay. Any doubt so far?
So every time we have to change this variable value, right? As you have written env equals to prod, so it will take
Uh-huh.
prod only. So if I just wanted to use def, so again I have to write, like I
No,
every time
no,
I have to change this.
no. See, in real time, okay. In real time,
Hmm.
currently now you need to change this, okay. But in real time, when we are working, okay. So suppose, so consider how I can say, okay. Consider, okay, let me give you another example, okay. In real time when we are working, okay, so suppose we are working with a thing, okay. So at the end what we are doing, we are creating a file name, okay. File name we are creating, and what we are doing inside file name, in file name we are appending the current time, okay. So how we can make that? So like if we'll hard code this, file name equal to test, the date and all, something like this, okay. So it will be hard coded, okay. How we can make it dynamic, okay. We can, if we'll use string formation instead of 1 2 3 4, if we'll use the time dot now, dt dot now, so it will, this is dynamic now. So forget about this environment, okay. So in, see, environment is like thing. So suppose when we are working in multi environment thing, okay. So environment we are passing as part of parameter somewhere, like in many places we are using parameters, okay. Because see, environment is specific, lots of thing is there, okay. We have a separate bucket, we have separate variable name, we have separate directory. So these are the required thing. While running our scripts, we are passing the environments and all, okay. It's basically based on the requirement, okay. I gave you an example. So when I'm saying we are passing this environment name or like environment details, so it's specific, it's required, like that's how we implement it. So if even though if you move to upper environment, because we are from dev to qa, so this is part of the script, okay. This is the required argument, so we'll definitely pass that value variable, okay.
Okay.
Understood? So whatever value is there, based on that it will populate. So now here I passed dt dot now. Okay, so this will become taste, whatever will be time and then this value. So the purpose is to explain you the whatever value is coming from the environment or like coming from the, or like suppose here, okay, let me give you another example. I have a method, okay. So method is returning a integer value from 1 to 10, okay. A method which is taking a parameter, okay, and based on that parameter it is doing some transformation and all, and at the end it is returning a integer value from 1 to 10, okay. So sometimes it will be 1, sometimes it will be 6 7 or 8 9 10, okay. And we are using this value for some purpose, like we creating a file name we are creating, okay. So now whatever this function is returning, the function, suppose this function is x equal to this function is returning 1 to 10. I'm simply writing for to explain you, okay. So see, this function I called, this function returns some value from 1 to 10, any random value. So that I need here to create a file name. So my requirement is to file file test underscore something. Okay, so now I wanted this value, whatever the value this function will return based on the calculation and all, I want everything, that value here. Okay, so that same file name. Okay, so how I can do that? Whatever value I received, so here I suppose I received a temp. Okay, I received a value, or like response I received. Response I received from function X. So that response like RESP now. I will use this RESP. Whatever value it will get from the X, I will pass here. Understood? Any doubt so far in string formation?
No.
Kritika.
No, no doubt so far.
Okay, so I hope you understood this problem, like this use of this string formation. Okay, so now we'll move to another topic, string. So this is string formation I used. Now I will explain you about the string. Okay, in string we have lots of things, string slicing and all. Okay, now I created a variable x equal to hello. Now when I created a variable x equal to hello, what will happen? So here this index I hope everyone like is having basic idea about this indexing. The when we create a list. Okay, so list start from 0, item on 0th is like 0 like some on based on index we are assigning storing some value. Okay, so it's like something like okay, let me open this now. See, so index is like a you can consider this as like suppose I wrote hello, HHELLO. Okay, so now this is a word. Okay, hello. Okay, but what Python is doing, so Python is like each word. Okay, each word Python is assigning an index. Okay, and the index start from 0. Okay, so now the h is stored on 0th index, like 0th index start from 0. Okay, so when I wrote hello, h is on 0th index. So this a, so when I like h, I will say like this. How can I explain? Instead of ABC, okay, let me do one thing. Let me copy this, or it's fine, I will create a new cell here. Okay, forgot about this. 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so see here I wrote string hello. Okay, and what Python is doing, it is each words. Okay, like each character from that word, the Python is assigning some index to that word. Okay, like that key, that character. So h is a one character, that h is like on 0th index. Okay, one like e is on first index, l is on second index, this l is on third index. Okay, o is on fourth index. Okay, so likewise this is storing a string. Okay, yes or no, please come.
Yeah, got it.
Yes.
Okay, so Kritika, any doubt so far?
No, I don't have any doubts.
Okay, so any index. Okay, when we are creating anything, we are storing something, index start from 0. Okay, so here when I wrote hello, the each characters from the word is like Python assigned an index to it. Okay, so now 0 Python assigned 0. Okay, index 0 to hello. Okay, the sequence wise. Okay, like whatever is the order. Okay, based on the order it assigned a index. Okay, now I wanted to fetch from this string last element, or like this element, the element which is present on index 0 and 1. How we can do that? So suppose I will run this. Okay, hello, now we have hello, and I wanted to fetch the string which is on the character which is on index 0 comma 1. So if I will write like this, so this will, I will explain what this is. Sorry, 2. So see, I received HE. Why I received HE? Because see, this I will explain. Let me explain you this first. Okay, this square bracket and this column with whatever. So this is square bracket and this column is showing there is three thing which is having as part of this. Okay, so one is start. Okay, the syntax is start, stop, stop, and the third one is like step. Okay, so I will explain you. Start in the sense like from where I will start. Okay, stop is the point, like before this point we need to stop. Okay, and step is suppose you are using stairs to go to first floor. Okay, and we are playing one game. Okay, and I will ask you to use every each step to go to that next floor. Okay, so it means like at a time I will take one step. Okay, one step every time I will take to reach, but I will tell you to use two steps instead of one. What you will do, you will skip one stairs. Understood? So what I will tell you,
Yes.
let me see there is this like consider this is stairs. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 is a stairs. Okay, now I will tell you uh, no, now I will tell you, now we are on stairs 1. Okay, or like see, usually we are having having on stairs 0. Okay, so let me create 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So usually we are having on stairs like steps 0. Okay, and the I will tell you to use like two steps, like skip one step. Okay, so first you are in 0, now you will skip this, you will reach to this point. Okay, so this will be first we are in this where the step size is 2. If step equal to 2, okay, so this one, then it will be this one. After that I will skip the third, this will be third. Skip fifth, this will be fifth, like sixth. Skip seventh, and this will be eighth. And skip 9, and it will be 10th. Understood what this step means? Now if I will tell you, instead of step 2, I want step size equal to 3. Means every third step I wanted to write. Okay, means we are in 0, I will skip this 2, then it will be third step only, the third will be third step. So if the step size is 3, means I started from 0, I will skip first and second step, and then I will come to this step. Any doubt so far anyone is having?
No.
No.
Come on. And what
No, I just
tell
got
me
it.
about the next step.
6.
Here the step size
It
is
will be
3, tell
6.
me about the next step.
6.
It will be 6.
6.
It will be 6 because for the step size is 3, we'll skip this 2, then only it will be 3. And what about the next step?
9.
It will be 9. Now see, this is about this step. Okay, now the start is, see, I started from 0. Everywhere I will start from 0 by default. Okay, if you want, it's up to us, like we are playing our game, we can write our rule. Okay, so if I will write something, now here the start was 0. Okay, not 10, start was 0. And let me cut this and move it here. Okay, and the stop was 10. So when we are writing, see one thing, when we are writing a stop, okay, means stop minus 1, whatever value is there, it will print stop minus 1 till stop minus 1. Okay, so if I will run something like, if I will say, okay, so if I will ask you to run from 0 to 10, so what Python compiler will print? 1 to 10 I'm asking now, so it will not print 10, it will print 10 minus till 10 minus 1. So it will be till 9, it will print. Okay, so when I'm writing step equal to 10, it will it will go till 9th step, not 10th step. Okay, understood? And start is this point, starting point. Okay, so now when I'm making a rule of our game, I can write, I can okay, I will say, okay, don't start from 0, start from step 3. So it's our rule, no? So this start in, like, here by default start is 0. Okay, now we are making our rule. I am asking to start from third step. So we can mention, okay, I want to start from third step. Okay, so now game will start from third stage. Okay, step equal to 3 or step equal to 2. Based on that, it will decide what will be the next step. Okay, any doubt so far?
No, got it.
Okay, so see, this syntax you need to remember when I will ask you about the string slicing. Okay, string slicing, this is called string slicing. Now here this is an example of, make a note. Okay, we covered string formation, and now we started string slicing. Okay, so, and how we, the index for each character is getting assigned. Okay, how we can get items like string characters based on the index. Okay, what the term is called, these things, remember. Okay, now here, okay, let's start from 0. I will write 0 comma 4 colon 1. So what it means, can you explain? Anyone can explain this?
It will
Hello
start
is
from 0
okay.
and it will stop at fourth place, and
Mhm.
it will print e, it will print every
Each
first
element,
every number.
each
Yes,
element,
each
each
element.
stairs consider this as stairs. Okay, each stairs will climb. Okay, so now if I will run this, see, I received from 0 what I said. See what I said, like, it will
Minus
print
1.
till this stop minus 1. So here, the, if you see 0 1 2 3 4, fourth O is on fourth position. Okay, and that's why I received till this HELL. Understood?
Yes.
Guys, let me know if in you have any doubt. Okay,
Got it.
this is bit confusing. Okay, this you need to remember this. Okay, this start, stop, and step. Okay, now let me run this. Okay, let me create another thing. I will use x 0, like 0 comma 5. 5, we don't have 5. Okay, so we'll 5 because n minus 1. And I use step 2. What it will print?
0, 2, and 3. 0, 2, only 0, 2. 0, 2,
No,
and 4 also. 0, 2, 4.
0 2 and 4 it will print. So it will print
Yes.
H, L, and O. Okay, let's run this. Understood? So let me create a other word. Okay, something with large n number of thing. Okay, I will ask everyone. I will wait for everyone. We'll see who is answering quickly. Okay, now I'm creating x equal
Sorry,
to,
uh, Vishal,
yes, yes, yes.
I'm having a little confusion because
Okay.
the previous example you said, like, when it's 0 4 1, it prints
Uh-huh.
hell because it's eliminates the last one, right?
Yes. Yeah.
But when the next example, it skips one value.
Yeah. Yeah. So
I
that's why
couldn't understand.
this is
Yeah.
a step. Okay, this is the last parameter which I explained is a step. Okay, so come to this point. Okay, so now
But why it's not
consider.
stepping in the first example? Why it's stepping in the last example?
So here, see, by default, see, default step is 1. Okay, means each
Okay.
element, each stairs we will climb. Okay, and when we are writing our own rule, means we
Hmm.
are defining the value, it's up to us. So now here I defined a rule, rule in the sense, like, I defined a value for step equal to 2. So means
Okay.
it will skip one stairs every time.
Okay, because
See
from the
what?
first example, my understanding was for the second example, it should print HEL because it should minus the last two value. So,
No, 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 no. Not two value. Not minus two value. Minus only one value. See. Okay, let me explain again. Okay. I understood your concern. Okay, you thought like
yeah,
step means like the like stop minus the step.
yeah.
No. It's not like that. See the start you understood. Any doubt so far in the start? Or let me explain from beginning. Okay. See, let me create another word. Okay. Hello, my name is Isal. I will use my name only. Now remove this. I created this. Okay. Now or let me remove space for now. Okay. Otherwise it will be a bit confusing. EVENING. Okay. See this I created evening. Okay. Now I want you to write a string slicing with the default value and print it will start from 0 till fifth fifth index, and each step I wanted to cover. Anyone who want to share screen and show me how to write, or like anyone can who is like working on this understood, please ping here. I will. I'm expecting everyone to answer this. If not, then I will explain. Okay, again, and I'm n number of time you can ask. Okay, I will explain your things. Okay, and also see when you are writing 051. Okay, type what you will receive, what string you will get as an output. Type anything. Okay, whatever you understood. Okay, if there is any doubt, I will explain you. Okay, if there is, I will think I need to explain again. I will explain again. This is Shruti. You like no. This is I guess Kritika.
Ah, yeah, that's me.
Even
Yeah, yeah.
okay. Nice. See, let's run this and see whose answer is correct. Okay. X. Everything will run and check. I'm using hers, whatever hers shared that. Okay. See, I am receiving EVENI. How? I will explain you again. What is this 071 suman? Okay. So now I will explain. I will write each word here into Excel. Okay, and explain. E V E N I N G 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and here I will write start step. Start is 0 by default. Start is 0. Okay, stop is end of the string, whatever the length of it is. If you are not defining the length, like till five till how many index you want, so by default will be length of the string. Okay, and by default step will be this step equal to 1. So now I wanted something like 0 comma 5 comma 1. I wrote like this. Now instead of comma it should be that's a colon. Okay, so now see that like each character has having one index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so means the total length of our string is how much? Let's run this. How to check this? Len x. So there is a function len x, which is basically printing the length of anything. Okay, length of your list, tuple, variable, any variable. Okay, so the total length of our string is 7. Okay, that's why it started from 0 and completed on 6th index. Okay, so now your doubt is, when I will start from 0 and I'm writing 5. So writing 5 in the sense, see the fifth in I like character on 5th index is n. Okay, but by default I'm saying, okay, when I'm writing, okay, so I wanted to uh, when I'm writing nth, okay, this stop I'm defining. Okay, so it means like stop minus 1 every time. Remember this you need to remember, like whatever is the stop point, stop minus 1, because the reason is like we started from index 0, we are starting. Okay, suppose if I will start from this like 1, so it will throw an error, no? Like it will say there is no 7th index. So we're starting from 0, that's why it is step minus 1. Okay, whatever is step, no, not step minus, stop minus 1, whatever is the stop minus stop value we are assigning. Okay, and then step in the sense like each element, like we are in 0. Okay, 0 plus 1 will be this value. Consider this as a summation. Okay, so I'm on 0, I'm climbing 1 stairs, means I am adding 1 value. Okay, so my stairs count will be 0 plus 1 1. It's not mathematical. Okay, now I'm on index 1. Okay, I climbed 1 more stairs. So what will be the stairs, like the count now? 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Understood, Kritika?
Yeah,
Especially
yeah,
for
I
you.
got it. I got it. I'm
Got
clear
it?
now. Yeah,
Now
got it.
if I will mention here step size equal to 2, what will happen? So now here I am in 0. 0 plus 2, what will happen? I will, from this stairs I will directly come to this stairs. 0 plus
Okay.
2, this value, I am skipping 1 stairs. Understood?
Yeah.
Now I am on 2. uh, the 2 plus 2 is 4. I am skipping third stairs. Now I am on fourth stairs. Likewise, from fourth I will come to sixth after skipping this one step. Okay, now suppose step value is 3. So what will happen? So I'm on 0th index. I 0 plus 3 will be
Yeah.
1 2. I will skip, then I will come to here. Okay, so from here there is question coming in interview. Okay, the question is having, suppose we have a string. Okay, this string evening. Okay, my requirement is to get only string who is on even index. So let me repeat my questions. So
Even
my
numbers.
requirement, yeah, my requirement is to get all the characters from this string which is on even index, like 0 2 4 6. These are even number index. Okay, so I wanted to get all the string which is on even index. How we can write? Anyone
Step step
Step
equals to
2.
wanted?
2.
What? Type your answer in chat. Nice, Kritika. Yeah, you understood properly. Step equal to 2. Nice. Yeah, we'll mention step equal to 2. Okay. Nice, Shruti. Correct. Same thing. Okay. See what is happening. From 0 we started till end of the string, length of the end of the length of a string. Okay. And this is no hers. This will be 6. Or let it be, we have this. See, the length is 7. Okay, but the index is only 6th index we are having. Okay, we don't have 7th index. So now 0
But
6
it
and
will
2.
be in length minus 1, no?
It will be, but see now, like let's write.
If we want the index, then we need to
let's
mention 7.
let's write. Okay, length of x and then this value. See, so the length of is 7th. Okay, yeah, correct, my mistake. Okay, so where was the chat? So this is correct. Okay, so this means like only even index I am selecting. Okay, so this will give you all the characters which is on index, on even index. Any
Then for
doubt?
even we need to put odd numbers.
For even, so there is two thing for like odd. Okay, so either you start from index 0 or start from it decide like define your this one is odd. Okay, so
But
now
7
who?
is not correct, right? 6 is correct. 0, 6, and 2.
No.
Then we will
See.
get odd numbers if we put
No. See.
6.
The 7. Why 7 is correct? Okay. See, the length of x is 7. Okay. So if you write 6 only, then it will come. It will skip this last character. Okay. So what I'm saying, let me explain you. Okay. Here. See here. So the total length is 7. Length equal to 7. Okay. Now, but it start from 0. Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now there is a thing. Okay, Shruti asked. Okay, I wanted to uh, get all the items which is on odd index. Who who want to pass this answer? Everyone is writing. See, it will not start from 0. Nice, nice, Shruti. No, you're okay. So step size is 1. Okay, so it will print all elements, Shruti. So we want only odd index items. So if you start from 0 or like 1 and the step size will be 2, then you will get that.
Okay.
See, there is another thing. Okay, so instead of this, okay, see, these are all are not required. Okay, see, if you want, okay, this stop and all is not required. Okay, but suppose in this string. Okay, let me come to this point. Now I wanted to print all which is on odd index. Okay, so what I can do, even though if I will write something like 1 comma 2, so it will work. Okay, why it will work? I started from 1, and by default, in the sense, when I am not passing the value for any one of these, so like stop I am not passing here. Okay, so it by default it is taking the, it will iterate till the length of the this string. Okay, so this length is whatever is the length. Okay, it will iterate till there, and this step we are mentioning means we are starting from 0. Like one is like 0 is our even index, 1 is like odd index. From odd index we started, and here we provided step 2. Okay, so in Excel I can explain you, I started from here. Okay, because this is even, I cannot select this, so I started from here, and I mentioned the step size too. Now the question is, suppose I will start from 0, and instead of I use step size 1 or 2, if I can use 3, what will happen? No, it will not work. Now suppose from this you will start. Okay, so you will come here. Okay, and next index will be 6, so it will not work. So that's why we'll start from your index 1, and step size will be 2. That will resolve our problem. Okay, I will get the item which is on odd index. Understood? Any doubts so far?
No.
We will, I mean, need to practice little bit on to
Okay, you want
remember that.
break or like can I
No,
stop today's session? Can I stop today's session, or like if you guys want break, then we can have break and then, or else fine. This is first class. I'm stopping the recording.